Do you know that some of the things you do every day could be hurting your heart? You may not realize it, but these 8 daily habits are destroying your heart health. In this video, I'm going to reveal these habits and show you how to avoid them or replace them with healthier alternatives. If you care about your heart and want to live a longer and happier life, make sure you watch this video till the end. Habit number 1. Eating too much salt. Salt is essential for your body, but too much of it can harm your heart. Salt makes your body retain water, which increases your blood pressure and puts extra strain on your heart. High blood pressure can lead to heart disease, stroke, and kidney problems. To reduce your salt intake, avoid processed foods, fast foods, and canned foods that are high in sodium. Use herbs, spices, lemon, or vinegar to flavor your food instead of salt. Read nutrition labels and choose products that have less than 140 milligrams of sodium per serving. Habit number 2. Skipping breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, especially for your heart. Skipping breakfast can make you overeat later in the day, which can lead to weight gain and high cholesterol. It can also make your blood sugar levels spike and drop, which can affect your mood, energy, and heart health. To start your day right, eat a balanced breakfast that includes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. This will keep you full, satisfied, and energized throughout the day. Habit number 3. Sleeping too little or too much. Sleep is essential for your heart health, but the amount and quality of your sleep matter. Sleeping too little or too much can increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and obesity. Sleeping too little can make you stressed, tired, and hungry, which can affect your blood pressure, blood sugar, and appetite. Sleeping too much can make you inactive, depressed, and sluggish, which can also affect your heart health. The optimal amount of sleep for most adults is 7 to 9 hours per night. To improve your sleep quality, stick to a regular sleep schedule, avoid caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine before bed, and make your bedroom dark, quiet, and comfortable. Habit number 4. Sitting too much. Sitting for long periods of time can be bad for your heart, even if you exercise regularly. Sitting can slow down your metabolism, lower your good cholesterol, and increase your inflammation, which can all contribute to heart disease. To avoid sitting too much, take breaks every 30 minutes and move around. Stand up, stretch, walk, or do some simple exercises. You can also use a standing desk, a treadmill desk, or a fitness ball chair to work more actively. The more you move, the better for your heart. Habit number 5. Drinking too much alcohol. Alcohol can have some health benefits in moderation, but too much of it can damage your heart. Alcohol can raise your blood pressure, triglycerides, and calories, which can lead to obesity, diabetes, and heart failure. It can also cause irregular heartbeats, called arrhythmias, which can increase your risk of sudden cardiac death. The recommended limit for alcohol consumption is no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. A drink is defined as 12 ounces of beer, 5 ounces of wine, or 1.5 ounces of liquor. If you drink more than that, cut back gradually and seek help if you have trouble controlling your drinking. Habit number 6. Smoking. Smoking is one of the worst things you can do for your heart. It damages your blood vessels, increases your blood pressure, and raises your risk of heart attack and stroke. If you smoke, quit now. It's never too late to benefit from quitting. There are many resources and tools that can help you, such as nicotine patches, gums, lozenges, or medications. You can also join a support group or talk to your doctor for advice. Habit number 7. Stressing too much. Stress is inevitable, but too much of it can hurt your heart. Stress can make your heart beat faster, your blood pressure rise, and your blood vessels constrict, which can damage your heart over time. Stress can also make you eat more, smoke more, drink more, and sleep less, which can worsen your heart health. To cope with stress, try to identify and avoid the sources of your stress, or change your attitude and response to them. You can also practice relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or massage. Talking to a friend, a family member, or a therapist can also help you relieve your stress and emotions. Habit number 8. Ignoring your health. Ignoring your health is the worst habit you can have for your heart. Many people don't pay attention to their health until something goes wrong, but by then it may be too late. Prevention is better than cure, so don't ignore your health. Get regular checkups and screenings to monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, and other risk factors for heart disease. Follow your doctor's advice and take your medications as prescribed. If you have any symptoms or concerns, don't hesitate to seek medical help. Your heart is your life, so take good care of it. These are the 8 daily habits that are destroying your heart health. I hope you learned something new and useful from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.